At first glance, you'd think these birds were painted by fire itself. Meet the scarlet ibis, one of the most striking creatures on Earth. Their scarlet color isn't just for show. It comes from their diet, mainly shrimp and crustaceans packed with carotenoids. The more they eat, the brighter their feathers glow. Young ibises actually start out gray or brown and slowly transform into living flames. Native to South America and the Caribbean, scarlet ibises thrive in wetlands and mangroves. They use their long, curved beaks to probe mud for insects, fish, and crustaceans, nature's perfect foraging tool. They're highly social, often traveling in huge flocks that turn the skies into rivers of crimson. Their migrations can span hundreds of miles, always tied to the rhythms of wetlands and tides. The scarlet ibis isn't just beautiful, it's a living symbol of how nature turns food, flight, and fire into one unforgettable masterpiece.